Here's how to place the window lifters on a camper shell. So this one somebody was using as a dog house until his dog died, and then he sold it to me cheap. So it did not have any lifters in it. But if you do have a lifter that you've already got, an old one that's broken, it's going to tell you the length closed, which is 8.1 inches, and the length open, which is 13 inches. And that's the measurement from the middle of the ball on the bottom to the middle of the ball on the top. In my case, the lifters were already gone. Maybe the dog ate them. I don't know. But I had to guess. And then there's also a pound rating on there. Like right here, it says 30 pounds. So I got one that's 30 pounds, is 8.1 inches closed and 13 inches open. So I measured it, and that's definitely the right length open. I'm not sure about the pounds. That's why if you have one already in your truck, then you'll want to make sure that you read it. And the kit I bought came with new balls. So you can buy them with or without balls. They're probably cheaper without the balls. But if you need new ones, or if you just want to get new ones that aren't beat up, then order a kit with them. The link is in the description to the kit that I bought from Amazon. So Amazon has a whole bunch of these between $20 and $30 for a set of 2. And click the link in the description. And if this is not the exact one that fits your truck, they will have one. If you just go to the See Sellers Other Items, they will have one that fits. So I'm going to be reusing the old knobs because they're riveted in on the bottom, but then the top ones that were broken off, I've replaced with the new knobs. I used some blue thread lock on here, and I made sure that there was enough clearance for it to get past the wall when it closes, so I had to put some washers here to shim it out. So if you have an existing set of springs in your truck and you need to take them off, you can just jam a little screwdriver under this clip and pop it up. You can see there's a clip inside. You can see the arms of it right here and right here. So when you pull up on the back of it with a screwdriver, they open up and it'll just come right off. Here we go. I put a little grease on the balls. The new ones came with some grease in here, so I probably didn't need to do that, but I'm going to do that. And then all the cool guys that I've checked on the internet put the fat part up and the skinny part down. So that's what I'm going to do. Then you just pop it on. Like that. And then we pop it on the top. So here's the final install. Ta-da! Nobody's gonna get hit on the head anymore around here. Link in the description if you want to buy some of these. And if you don't know what weight to buy, with this basic snug top, the 2 30-pound springs feel just right. Not too hard, not too soft, opens real easy. That's the manufacturer, and they just goes up easy like that.